Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got one of my favorite pits rolling out the door today. Now this is going to my man David, and this is a Copperhead 72, all loaded up off-road package, got the hot box. Let's check her out. Now our 72 is a double door Copperhead, okay, and I love a good old double door Copperhead. Now you got to get the 72 to get that. The 60 is a big single door, so if you want the double door, you got to get the 72. Obviously he had a few options on it. We got the stainless steel front shelf here. We'll open up the smoke chamber. So you got 4 separate grates in here. Of course, you got your top sliding shelves. Now this is a reverse flow smoker, so we got removable reverse flow plates down on the bottom. So you can pull them up out of there, clean up the bottom of the smoker. What that does is direct the smoke all the way across the bottom, then back out of the stack. He did get our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers in there. Now come around to the hot box. Now with the 72, you get an extra large hot box. So still got 5 sliding trays in here, but over 2,000 square inches of cook space just in the hot box. And it still operates as normal. So this runs completely independent from the smoker. So it's basically like having 2 different smokers off one fire. You can run at 2 different temperatures. You can get direct fire in there as well. Really versatile. That's probably our #1 option there is the hot box. And come around to the firebox here. Now this is our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel. He does have his fire management cradle in there. It's got an ash clean out on the bottom there as well. And on the back side here, this sucker is tall, so we did him a fold down stack here. It'll fold down, lock in place for going down the road, rolling in and out of the garage. We've got D-ring tie down points in all 4 corners. So guys, that is David's Copperhead 72 rolling out to North Carolina. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.